Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be my autumn fall glam makeup look, but I'm going to be using a new palette today. And I'm going to be using one of the new Huda Beauty Obsession palettes, and this is the Topaz palette. All the colours in this palette are like orange and bronze shades, which I thought would be a really good autumn look. I'm sorry if you guys hear my cat purring or the ringing of my cat's collar bell. She is in the room with me, so you probably will hear some of that. This Topaz Obsession palette unites 9 pigment-packed eyeshadow powders, 4 vibrant duochrome shadows and 5 creamy mattes in rich rose gold, ambers, burnt bronzes and tangerine oranges for the ultimate sophisticated polish. So this palette was £25 and I'll be creating a autumn fall look with this today. I did also buy the Ruby Obsession palette. I will be doing a separate video for this palette as it's such beautiful colours, so vibrant. So keep a lookout for that video coming up soon. So we have 4 shimmer shades. I'll just swatch them all for you now. And those are all 4 shimmer shades. I really like the top one. That's a really nice lid shade. Got a nice brown there. They're all very bronze shimmer shades. Those are the matte swatches. They're all 5 of the colours. These look very much like brick red colours. I like that nice orangey colour up there. That's just like a pink toned. And then you've got a nice brown toned there. So those are the matte shades. If you guys want to see how my autumn look turns out, then please just keep on watching. So first I'm going to take this middle shade, and it's this nice pink shade. I'm just going to apply it to all of my eyelid. Okay, so now we've got a kind of base down. I'm going to go in with this first shade, this nice tangerine orange, and apply that into my crease. Now I'm going to add a darker colour. I'm going to take the lightest of the 2 kind of like red tone shades, and I'm going to apply that into my crease just to darken it up a little bit. I feel like the crease needs to be darkened even more, so I'm going to go in this nice plum brown shade and obviously darken the crease up even more. Now I'm going to focus on my eyelid. I think I'm going to start by using this lighter gold shade here. That's what I think of autumn. I think of oranges, browns, reds and gold shades. So I'm going to apply this to my eyelid first. I really like that gold shade. I don't have to wet my brush. It went on perfectly. Now I'm going to focus onto my under eye. I'm going to take this tangerine orange shade and apply it all across my under eye. Now I'm going to add that nice red brick shade. And I'm only going to take it halfway. I'm going to take a small amount of the brown shade and focus it on only my outer corner of my under eye, if you know what I mean. Now I'm going on to the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to use the gold shade we used on our eyelid. I'm going to wet the brush this time to give it a more vibrant wet look. As I prefer the gold when I have a wet brush, I'm just going to apply a bit more into the centre of my lid just to give it a pop of colour. So like it looks like the light is reflecting off the centre of my eyelid. I think that just brings the look all together. I think that's very pretty. So that is going to be the autumn look. I'm going to go off camera, do my other eye and apply a bit of eyeliner and mascara and maybe a little lipstick. So I'll be back in a minute, guys. So this is the completed autumn full makeup look. It turned out really, really well. I'm obsessed with this Topaz Obsession palette. I can't wait to use the Ruby Obsession palette. That looks like so beautiful that I just can't wait to use it. So yeah, excited to do a video on the Ruby Obsession palette. The lipstick that I've got on today is the Sleek Matte Me Lip Cream in Birthday Suit. I have unboxed the Sleek Advent Calendar. If you haven't watched it, then I'll do a little suggestion card at the top. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Come and follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram will be somewhere on the screen here. I've got some exciting videos coming up, all Halloween based, so I can't wait for that. I'm going to show you what's just arrived, because it did arrive while I was filming this. And it's the Tokyo treat box that I ordered for this month. Obviously it's Halloween, so this is going to be a Halloween treat box themed thing. Tokyo Treat is a monthly subscription box and you get all these nice goodies. So subscribe and keep a lookout for this video for Halloween. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.